Hello everyone. Welcome to science class. Today our topic is flower dissection. Springtime is when nature appears to come back to life after winter. Trees grow leaves, grass gets green, and flowers sprout, displaying beautiful colors and sometimes spreading a delightful scent. But have you ever looked at a flower in more detail? Be quiet, please.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Okay. Let's continue. What parts do flowers consist of? Are all flowers alike? In this activity you will find out by dissecting, or taking apart, a flower piece by piece. How many plant parts do you think you can identify? Are you okay, Westley? You seem so sneezy today.
Oh yeah, I'm fine.
Okay, let's continue. Plants that make flowers are known as flowering plants. But do flowers only exist to make plants look pretty? Not quite. Although they can be beautiful to us, flowers are made to attract pollinators for reproduction. Oh, Westley, what's wrong with your nose? I know you have to sneeze, but can you stifle them?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's continue. This means the flowers are a crucial part of the process in growing seeds to make more plants. If you look closely at a flower, you might see that it is made of many different parts, each of which has a specific purpose. Carefully look at each of the flowering plants. If you have a magnifying glass, you can use it to examine your plants and their flowers. What does each plant and flower look like? Choose one of your flowering plants and start your plant dissection. Quiet. Use your hands. Oh my goodness, this really scares me. Can you please keep your voice down?
Yeah, I promise.
Let's continue. Use your hands, scissors or tweezers and carefully take apart your plant. Which plant parts can you identify? Once you have removed one part of the plant, try to identify it and place it on the corresponding plate. Put it in the section that is labeled with the right plant name. Can you find a plant part for each plate? If you cannot identify a specific plant part, place it on the other plate. When you have finished taking the first plant apart, look at all its different parts. How do different parts within one plant compare? Next, repeat the dissection with the remaining two flowering plants. Okay, I really can't bear it. Don't interrupt me again with your sneezing, Westley. Then compare the plant parts on each paper plate. What do you notice about the same plant part from different flowering plants? Look at all the plant parts that you placed on the other plate. What do you think these plant parts are? How can you find out? If you have intact specimens of the types of flowers you dissected, examine these to see how all of the plant parts you identified fit together in the whole flower. How do these vary across different types of flowers? Draw each of your flowering plants on a piece of paper. Color your plant and label each part that you identified. Okay, so let's start now.
Oh, it tickles. Oh, my nose.
Hey, Westley, why don't you start dissecting your flowers? Grab your scissors and get started.
Oh, yes. Oh, I can't stifle my sneeze with all my hands. Oh, uh, 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 uh.
Stop holding your hands over your nose and pick up your scissors. Time is running out. Don't let me see your hands off the scissors.
Oh, it tickles. I didn't sneeze. Uh, 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 uh. You.
Oh my God, why you sneezed like crazy today? Flower. Pollen, you must be allergic to pollen. Oh, I'm so sorry. I should have noticed your hay fever. I'm so sorry. Well, this may help you. Westley, please come out with me. I'm sorry for not noticing your allergies and blaming you for your uncontrollable sneezes. Now I'm going to help you get all the pollen out of your nose, and then you'll stop. This is a feather, and I will tickle your nose with it. When you feel a sneeze coming on, there is no need to stifle, just let your big sneeze out. Okay, let's start now.
Oh, tickles. Uh, 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 uh,
Oh, bless you. What a powerful sneeze. Bless you. Your nose is so itchy, and you are gonna sneeze. Bless you. Tickle, tickle, tickle. What will you do to get rid of the tickle? Oh, bless you. It's so big. Another one? Bless you.